Hello there, welcome back. So we already know that OnePlus Watch 2 and OnePlus Band 2 have entered the production stage in Europe and Asia. Credits to Mukul Sharma and Price Baba for this info. Another leak suggested OnePlus is experimenting with a not branded smartwatch, but this appears to be a separate device with more affordable price tag and basic set of features. But what we are interested in is the OnePlus Watch 2. So without further ado, let's get started. OnePlus has a reputation for teasing upcoming devices ahead of any sort of official announcement, and since we haven't seen any for the Watch 2, we believe there's still time for it to launch, could be this summer or fall. The key to creating an attractive smartwatch is to keep up with the tech trends and offer more features than the previous watch release. And what's better than offering the popular Wear OS instead of RTOS, which OnePlus used for its first gen watch. This would make the second OnePlus Watch significantly better than the first, with support for Google services, a passable app store to access third-party apps, and better fitness integration. Wear OS will also fix a lot of issues that the previous watch had. Last year's OnePlus Watch was far from being considered one of the best fitness trackers. Its smart features were basic and no better than what you'd get with a generic fitness tracker that's a third of the price, and it also came with some inconsistent sensor reading. However, it's worth considering that this isn't a hardcore fitness device, though this year we'd like to see some improvements in this sector. Next, the OnePlus Watch relies heavily on a companion app, which is Android only. So if you're an iPhone user, you're out of luck. Hope this gets fixed in the new version. Moving on, we expect similar battery life to OnePlus Watch. A major perk of the first OnePlus Watch was a 9-day battery life, which easily exceeded the best Apple Watch and best Samsung Watch battery performance we have seen. But if they do implement Wear OS, then it will take toll on the battery life. With additional features comes additional battery drain, so maintaining the same battery life would be difficult. Let's see what OnePlus does. So that is all for this video. We'll be sure to update you once more details appear. Until then, subscribe, hit the bell and watch more videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.